In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart on Asana, making it an efficient tool for project management and task scheduling. Let's get started by first heading over to Asana. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can do this by visiting the Asana homepage and entering your email address. Once you've entered your email, go ahead and click on the Continue button. After that, you'll need to enter your password. Once you've typed that in, click Login to your own, and you'll be directed to your Asana homepage. Now that you're on the home page, the next step is to open the project or portfolio that you want to view on a timeline. This is crucial because the Gantt chart, which is essentially a visual timeline, allows you to see all the scheduled tasks and their associated start and due dates. So navigate to the desired project. Once the project is open, you'll find a series of tabs. Click on the Timeline tab. This action will reveal a timeline view of your project. With the timeline open, you can add tasks directly by clicking on the Add Task button. It's important to remember that for your tasks to appear appropriately on this timeline, each task must have a defined start and due date. Tasks that lack these essential dates will end up in the Unscheduled Tasks section, which is to the right of your timeline. So, take a moment to ensure all your tasks are properly scheduled. For any tasks with dependencies, these will be visibly connected on the timeline. You'll notice that dependencies are represented by lines, grey lines for non-conflicting dependencies, and red lines for those that might pose conflicts. If you need to add new dependencies, you can easily do so either by dragging the connector between tasks on the timeline or by using the Add Dependency option. One of the great features of Asana's timeline is the drag and drop functionality. You can move tasks to adjust their due dates, and the timeline will automatically update to reflect these changes. If you click on any task, a details pane will appear, providing you with more in-depth information about the task. Additionally, you have timeline options at your disposal. These options are useful for managing how dependencies shift as dates change. Gantt charts and these timeline views are incredibly useful tools for visually planning projects and efficiently scheduling tasks across your team. Using Asana in this way can greatly enhance team coordination and ensure everyone is on the same page when it comes to project deadlines and task completion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a Gantt chart on Asana. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and it makes managing your projects that much easier. Thanks for watching.